السلام عليكم. في هاد الدرس غادي نشوفو WH words. الوغ هاد لا كيستيون مأخوذ حتى هو من ليكزامان ديال 2019 لا بارتي ديال لا لونغ. الوغ نقراو السؤال. The three students won the 2018 Arab Maths Olympiad are from Morocco. So عطينا لي شوا هنايا where, who, whose. ثلاثة ديال لي شوا. الوغ غادي نشرحو الدرس ونوليو للسؤال نشوفو واش غادي تجاوبو عليه.
في أي لغة كنلقاو بعض الكلمات اللي كنحتاجوهم في أي حوار بالخصوص من أجل طرح الأسئلة. في اللغة العربية مثلا كنلقاو كلمات مثل متى، أين، كيف، لماذا. في اللغة الفرنسية مثلا كاين كومون، بوركوا، كي، او، etc. في اللغة الانجليزية عندنا مثل هذه الكلمات مثلا هو واللي كتعني من، واي لماذا، وير أين، وين متى، whose لمن، whose نستعملوا هذه الملكية، واي لماذا and how كيف. إذا في هذا الفيديو غادي نتعرفوا على هذه الكلمات بالتفصيل. So first of all let me tell you why they are called WH words. Because they begin with WH. For example, who, WH, whom, where, when, how. So how doesn't begin with WH, but it includes W and H letters. So we have here W and H. Concerning the pronunciation, are these words pronounced similarly, in the same way? No, they are not pronounced in the same way. For example, who, we say who, we don't say who, so we don't pronounce the W, we pronounce the H. So who, H, whom, just like who, H. Where, so it is pronounced with W, we don't pronounce H. So let's say it is pronounced with sound represented by the letter W, so W, where. We don't say here, we say where. So when, W, and how, H. So now we are going to know when, why, and how we use these words, WH words. So let's start with who. Who is used to give or to ask information about a person. Okay, so to talk about people. For example, who are you? Men and. So here we are asking about someone's identity. هوية. Men and who in this example is used as an interrogative pronoun. So to ask a question. If you want to translate it into Arabic, men. So men and. Another example with who, the boy who saw me. الولد الذي رآني. So in this example, who is used as a relative pronoun because we are not using who to ask a question. So الذي. Now let's move to whom. Whom is just like who, but of course there is a difference between whom and who. Who is used as the subject of the verb, الفاعل, whereas whom is used as the object of the verb, المفعول. For example, the boy whom I saw, الولد الذي رأيت. Okay, just like French, اللغة الفرنسية, we have qui and que. So the French equivalent for who is qui. The French equivalent for whom is que. Okay? If you want to translate these two sentences into French, so the boy who saw me, le garçon qui m'a vu. The boy whom I saw, so le garçon que j'ai vu. Okay? So qui, not que. In this example, who refers to the boy, and the boy is the subject. So he is the person who does the action. Who saw me. But here, whom refers to the boy, and the boy is not the subject, he is the object, because he was seen by me. So he is not the person who saw me. Now let's move to where. Where is used to talk about a place. مكان. For example, where do you live? Where do you live? أين تقطن? Okay. Another so when. When is used to talk about time. To ask about time. I read a book when I'm bored. So when in this example is not used as an interrogative pronoun to ask the question, but as a relative pronoun. Okay? So I read a book when I'm bored. عندما أقرأ كتاب عندما أكون ضجرا. And the last one is how. How is used to talk about either a manner or a quantity. So manner, طريقة، كيف يحدث شيء ما، الطريقة، أو quantity، الكمية، أو العدد. For example, how much is this? How much is this? هنا نسأل عن الثمن. How much is this? Or how old are you? How old are you? كم عمرك? So how كم, the meaning of how is كم, but when it is used to talk about quantity. How, when it is used to talk about manner, الطريقة, the meaning is كيف. Okay? So when we use how to talk about the manner, the meaning becomes كيف. How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? كيف تنطق هذه الكلمة? كيف تنطق هذه الكلمة? What and which. What is used to ask or to give information about objects, أشياء, idea, أفكار, or actions, أفعال. For example, what are you doing? What are you doing? ماذا تفعل? So here we are talking about action. Another example, what do you think of? ماذا تعتقد حول? So here we are talking about idea. So for example, what do you think of my haircut? Or what do you think of my friend? So ما هو رأيك حول صديقي? Now let's move to which. Which is also used to talk about objects, ideas, and actions, just like what. But the difference is that which is used only when there are choices. اختيارات. اختيارات. Choice. For example, which color do you want? أي لون تريد? So let's say that you are a seller, بائع, and I came to your clothes shop or boutique in order to buy a jacket. Okay? So I asked you, do you have jackets? And you say yes. Which color do you want? أي لون تريد? Red or blue? So we have choice, two choice, red, أحمر, and blue. We can use what, but what is used only when there are, let's say, unlimited choice. Okay? So you don't have only two colors, but a lot of colors. So the last two WH words are why and whose. We use why to talk about the reason, السبب, the reason. to ask or to give the reason for doing something. For example, why did you do that? لماذا فعلت هذا? Pourquoi as-tu fait ça? So, لماذا? Why did you do that? We also use why as a relative pronoun to give an explanation for doing something. تفسير. Pourquoi or why did you do something? Okay? For example, yesterday I was really sick مريض. That's why لهذا. So I'm here giving an explanation. That's why I couldn't come to see you. That's why I couldn't come to see you. لهذا لم أستطع القدوم لرؤيتك. So couldn't is a modal verb, and we have already seen modal verbs in the last video. Could expresses the ability. Whose is used to ask about the position or to talk about the position, الملكية. For example, whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? À qui est ce stylo? لمن هذا القلم? So here we are talking about position, الملكية. Another example, the boy whose t-shirt is red is my bro. So whose in this example is used as a relative pronoun. So the boy whose t-shirt. So I think I forgot here a comma and here. So because this is a non-defining clause that gives extra information about the subject, the boy. So the boy whose t-shirt is red is my brother, أخي.
إذا من بعد ما شرحنا الدرس غادي نشوفوا الإجابة. alors واش غادي نديرو where which is used to talk about a place, who about people, or whose about possession or property. So yes, the answer is who. The correct answer is who. The 3 students who won the 2018 Arab Maths Olympiad are from Morocco.